Hi, I'm Anna. I'm Dr. Ferry's patient coordinator for over 7 years, and today we're going to talk about breast lift surgery. It's also known as Mastopexy, and what it does is that it lifts the breast and it helps us give it a more youthful shape. Some patients that are a candidate for this type of procedure are patients that have given birth and they have a little bit of saggy skin. With the breast lift surgery, we can lift them up and give them back the shape that they had before. Patients that are done breastfeeding, patients that are aging, that need that youthful shape again. Also, for the breast lift surgery, we can also combine it with a breast reduction. This is usually for patients that have hereditary big breasts, if we may call them that. So what it does is that it reduces the size of your breasts and they lift them up, so you will be able to be more comfortable doing sports or in your everyday life. I also want to talk a little bit about how to schedule a consultation with the doctor. If you're an out-of-state patient, it can be via photos. We send you the type of pictures that we need, or a FaceTime consultation with the doctor where he's guiding you on how to sit, how to turn around, and all of that, and he gets an idea of the type of surgery that you're a candidate. And then once you're down here with us, we will know for certain the type of incision he will do, the time of the OR, all of those details. So after your surgery, we can provide a post-op surgery package. What is this? It's 2 nights at B Recovery with nursing care 24/7 and your meals and snack included. The nurse will take excellent care of you. If you bring a companion, we allow 1 companion to come with you, and their stay can also be at B Recovery. A lot of patients come by themselves and there's no problem at all. It's a very safe surgery, a very safe area, and we will take great care of you. Also, in the surgery package, we would include the post-op oral medication that you will need to take, pain medication, everything for you to be okay. We would also include the post-op bra for your new breast, for the breast surgery that you had, and we would also include the transportation. We will pick you up from the airport, bring you down here to our center, and then go back to the States for your flight back home. So click the link here to go to the medical form and get started on your consultation with Dr. Friday.